Hello students, good morning to everyone. In our last video we discussed about the factorization type 1 and type 2, how we can take the total common from the expression, then next grouping. In this topic or today we will discuss more examples relating type 1 and type 2. Now let us see the example or question number 1 for today, that is equal to 2 factorize 2 into 2x minus 5y whole into 3x plus 4y minus 6 into 2x minus 5y whole into x minus y. Now this is the question. Now look here, how many terms in this expression? Multiplication and division makes one term, plus or minus there are a number of terms, but first term started 2 ends this, and this is the second term, this is the first term, this is the second term. In the first term how many factors are there? There are 3 factors. 2 is the known factor, 2x minus 5 is the second factor, and 3x plus 4y is the third factor. Here 6 is a factor, 2x minus 5y is a factor, x minus y is a factor. First look the total common. What will be the total common? Now in this term and in this term, which factors are common? 2 and 6. When we will take a HCF of 2 and 6, the HCF will be 2. So 2 first we take a 2 as the common factor. Then 2x minus 5y is the second factor of the first term, and here 2x minus 5y also the second factor of the second term. So 2x minus 5y is also taken as the common. Rest 3x plus 4y minus x minus y within bracket, then omit bracket. This is the first term by common factor. Rest 2x plus 4y, second term by common factor. This is minus of x minus y, that is equal to 2 into 2x minus 5y, then open the bracket, 3x plus 4y minus x minus into minus of plus y, that is equal to 2 into 2x minus 5y, 3x minus x, 2x plus 4y plus y plus 5y, 2x 2 into 2x minus 5y whole into 2x plus 5y. It is the factorization or answer. So factorization is a very interesting topic. If you applied or implement the formula in factorization, you will do more, learn more and practice more. So take a screenshot and we will go to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2. AB whole into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc whole into c square minus a square minus b square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. This much is your question. AB whole into a square plus b square minus c square minus bc whole into c square minus a square minus b square plus ca into a square plus b square minus c square. Look, how many terms in this expression? There are 3 terms. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. In the first term, a b total is taken as a factor. A is a factor, b is a factor, also a b is a factor. So a b is a factor, so another factor a square plus b square minus c square. In second term, bc is a factor, here c square minus a square minus b square, and ca into a square plus b square minus c square. In the first term and last term, the second factor of a first term and the second factor of a third term are equal, so it will be taken as the common. But in the middle term, there is c square is there, a square is there, b square is there, but the signs are changed. So minus b square here, but here is plus b a square, minus a square here, here is plus a square, minus b square here, but here is plus b square, plus c square here is plus, but here is minus c square. How? If we change the sign of the terms, it should be or will be equal factor of a first term and third term. Now how can we change? Now AB, look carefully, AB whole into a square plus b square minus c square. Look, algebra, trigonometry, geometry is very important of a change of a sign substitution, put sign, and how when we simplified or when we factorize sign, there is most attention, 90% attention to the sign. If your sign is correct, the solution must be correct. So minus bc, we now I do here, I write plus bc whole into. If in case of a minus I wrote plus, where is minus goes? Minus, because bracket means multiplication. Before bracket, if there is a factor, it will be multiplied to the terms inside the bracket. If the outside of the bracket, left side of the bracket minus, so minus must be multiplied to the sign of the terms of the in the bracket. So now minus turn into plus, this minus goes inside the bracket. So minus c square turn in plus c square turn into plus into minus c square, minus into minus plus a square, minus into minus plus b square, plus ca whole into a square plus b square minus c square. Now take another step, ab whole into a square plus b square minus c square plus bc whole into, arrange these terms, a square first, then second, b square minus c square plus ca whole into a square plus b square minus c square. Now look, the second factor of every term are equal, so we will take second factor as a common factor or HCF of this expression. So take a square plus b square minus c square as total common. Rest AB in the first term plus BC in the second term plus CA in the third term. So it will be the 2 factors. This will be the answer. Very easy. But always attention, always confident to the change of sign, because change of sign is change the steps, is change the mode of the answer. Now come to the next question. Take a screenshot. Next question. Question 3. xy whole into 3x square minus 2y square minus yz whole into 2y square minus 3x square plus zx whole into 15x square minus 10y square. This is the question. So our question is xy whole into 3x square minus 2y square minus yz into 2y square minus 3x square plus zx into 15x square plus 10y square. Now look, this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term. In first term there are 3 factors, x, y and 3x square minus 2y square. In second term y, z, 2y square minus 3x square, but here is 3x square minus 2y square, but here is written 2y square, here 2y square is minus, but here 2y is square is plus, but 3x square is minus, just reverse. Then third, 15x square minus 10y square. So 15x square minus x square y square, x square y square, but here is 15, here is 10. Now rearrange the expression. That is equal to xy whole into 3x square minus 2y square, because there is no common in the bracket. So it is the second factor. Here minus changed into plus yz. So minus insert the bracket. Minus 2y square changed into plus 2y square, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So I write 3x square first plus, minus into minus plus, and 2y square minus. Just rearrange. I rearranged the terms in the bracket, because minus changed into plus, minus multiplied into the bracket. Then plus zx 15 and 10, there will be a common factor, because we know the HCF of 15 and 10 is 5. So 5 zx take as a common, zx already taken as common, but 5 take as a common. Instead of 15x square we can write 3x square, because 15x square by 5 3x square, 10 by 5 2y square, this much. Now look, in second step, second factor of every term are equal. So we take as a total common 3 x square minus 2y square as a total common, 3x square minus 2y square. In first term, how will be the remaining xy? In second term, yz. In third term, 5zx. This will be the answer. Very easy and simple. But we do more and more practice. That's why we arrange the terms, we take the common and find out the product of the factors. The next question, question number 4, 2x whole into a minus b plus 3y whole into 5a minus 5b plus 4z whole into 2b minus 2a. Look, same type of question. 2x whole into a minus b plus 3y whole into 5a minus 5b plus 4z whole into 2b minus 2a. Look, 2x whole into a minus b plus 5a minus 5b. Here 5 will be taken as the common. Here is 3 and 5 another factor. 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor. 5 into 3, 15y. 15y whole into a minus b plus, here is 2, here is 2, take as another common. Here already common 4z is as taken as common, but we will take another common 2 known factor. So known factor into known factor, 4 into 2, 8z whole into b minus a. Here is a question, here a minus b, here is a minus b, but here is b minus a. Now it will be turned into a minus b. Now look at the next step, 2x whole into a minus b plus 15y whole into a minus b. What will be here? As minus changed into plus, so plus changed into minus 8z, and this will be changed into a minus b. Now look, minus into a minus a, minus into minus plus b, this much. So sign is always important. So a minus b, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b is taken as total common. Rest 2x plus 15y minus 8z, it will be the answer. Factorization. This is the factorization. Next, now take a screenshot. This is the factorization. In your next video, we will learn about the middle term factorization, grouping of terms and middle term factorization. For today, this much. Thanks. Goodbye.